County governors and the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, SRC, have reacted with shock to the National Assembly's move to slash budgets of the SRC and the Senate. The Council of Governors now say the National Assembly's powers need to be trimmed so that they do not arbitrarily punish other arms of government and constitutional commissions. They were speaking in Naivasha.
It is a continuation of that impunity that was there in the previous system of government, where Parliament could not be questioned by anybody, where Parliament could do anything. And I think if we arrive at a situation where we have a referendum, one of the issues we need to settle is the issue of controlling the National Assembly, so that we don't have a rogue National Assembly that arrogates itself the power of determining everything for everybody else, does not respect the checks and balances that have been provided in the Constitution. And one of the checks and balances is to make sure that the judiciary is independent in doing its work. And by trying to deny the judiciary money, you are interfering with its independence. Because
the totality of it was coming to what? About 800 million. So when you reduce 200, it will affect one sector, because we put it into like 7 sectors. We will move on. Yeah, truly we will.